our team coverage moves now to CBS 4's Hank Tester, who is at Miami International Airport.
And Hank, there have been delays and cancellations all day. How are things looking now?
Well, generally you could say moderate delays through the weekend and a lot fewer delays. You see people behind me here are lined up trying to make arrangements for their flights. But if you're going to the Philadelphia, Newark, Washington, D.C. area, you better call your carrier because this is a situation that just might delay you. Let's take a look. The hustle and bustle at Miami International Airport getting back to normal after experiencing moderate delays over the weekend due to that major storm that tracked across 2/3 of the east. Across the nation, airlines canceled 1,600 flights and about the same number of delays were reported. Here at Miami International Airport, the ripple effect of the storm lessening today. There were much fewer cancellations and delay indicators on the arrival departure boards, but there's still tales of snow woes.
Some of the other people in my group came from out east, and 2 of them didn't make it, who were supposed to be on this trip with me. They were in D.C., so they had to stay behind. And then one man who's from Massachusetts had to go to Providence, Rhode Island, and fly direct this morning.
Newark and Washington airports are still causing problems for travelers out of Miami.
They told me to cancel a lot of flights from here to go to New Jersey because of snow. So I don't know what to do now.
Okay, here are the numbers for Miami International Airport. 31 cancellation and 6 delays today. Fort Lauderdale Hollywood Airport, we can tell you that there were 13 cancellations and 59 delays. So once again, things are getting back to normal. But if you are traveling to that particular area, Washington, Philadelphia area, do call your carrier. Reporting, I'm Hank Tester, CBS 4. Back to you.
Hank, thank you.